Hi everybody, this is just an updated video of Mr. Nolan. So, let's see, this is what his favorite thing to do. So what do? We like to walk and bounce. Say hi, Nolan. Say hi. Say hi. I don't think he knows what's going on. And what else is new? Say, I'm over 2 feet long now, aren't you? Say hi. And he weighs 12 pounds now. And what did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday? Did we roll over yesterday? We rolled over yesterday. Yes, we did. And what else? Do you want to play? Let's play for everybody. Okay. Okay, Nolan likes to play too. Are you talking? What are you saying? What are you saying? Silly Billy. What are you saying? Is that your nose? Oh, are you getting mad? Say, I don't want to play. I don't want to play. Hey, what's going on? Are you going to cry for everybody? Uh-oh. Somebody's making a stinker. Are you making a stinker? Are you being funny? Nolan. Say no pictures. No pictures, Mommy. No pictures. I took enough pictures. Well, squeeze it out. Squeeze it out. Get it out of there. I know. Pooping is an emergency around here. Isn't it? So you don't know if you're happy or mad. Huh. Hey, what's going on? Can you smile for everybody? Or are you just gonna be upset? How about your nose? Oh. Are you trying to figure out how to say something? Say hi. Well, just say bye to everybody. Say bye. Sorry, I didn't want to play today. No playing.